Yeah, hello guys. Today we are going to see how we can add a custom column with different values in Power BI. We have data in Power BI. We want to add a custom column, a new column that has different values. So this is the data, right? So it has the 6 regions, then it has the year. This is the revenue. So we'll go to transform data, right? So this is the data we are trying to transform. So first off, we want to make the regions the header, because here we have a header column 1, column 2, column 3, but no, we want to replace this with the regions and the year, right? So we could just do that here by say use first row as header, right? So now we have it. We have the regions, we have the year, the revenue for each year. So there are different ways we could actually do this. You can do this by using conditional column. Click on conditional column. You input the name of the new column. Let's say we want to have data for 2024. We want to get the revenue for 2024. We put that column to be 2024. We want to get this based on the regions. We want to manually input this based on the regions. So the column names we are using is region, and the value we want to say if the region is North America, then what is the value for 2024? That's what's the revenue for 2024. So we want to input this column manually. So let's say for North America 2024, the revenue was 10 million. So we have to do this for all the regions, right? Because we have 6 regions, right? So we are going to do this for all the 6 regions that we've got. So we are doing this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all of them regions, right? This is an else if statement. If you're familiar with programming in Python, here you could see the if, else if statement. So we've done the first one. If the region equals North America, the revenue for the new column, which is 2024, is 10 million, right? So if the region is Europe, from the data we have, we are inputting it manually. The revenue is, let's say, 30 million. So we can say if the region is Africa, let's say the revenue is 20 million. If the region is Asia, revenue is 12 million. If the region is Australia, the revenue for 2024 is 40 million. So these are just random data that we are inputting. We are trying to create a column with random data. Of course, your data is not random, but it's just to show how this works. So you're manually inputting the values you want in the new column, right? When you are done, you just click OK. Yeah, so we have it. We now have a new column with data for 2024, right? Okay. So when we are done with this, we just get to home. Then we go on close and apply. So then when we get back to the table here, we see we now have data for 2024, right? Cool. So this is one way we could add this data for 2024 using conditional columns.